Casebang sent me their case and back covers from the Secret Garden collection to review. The case and back covers actually include this QR code that you can scan and go to their website to check if the product is genuine. This is the base case, which has matte black rubber sides to protect the buttons, and the back extends up a bit to accommodate the back covers that you can switch around whenever you want. The borders are raised above the camera bump so you're not gonna accidentally scratch the lenses. The front of the case also raises above the screen itself, and I didn't have any problems with fitting the case on, even with tempered glass, because I do sometimes run into problems with some cases not clipping on very well if you've got tempered glass on. I like how the base case already looks, and it feels very hefty on the hands, which could be a positive or negative because your phone might feel too heavy sometimes, but it could also prevent you from accidentally forgetting you're holding it and dropping it when putting your stuff down, which is something I am guilty of. There's also holes above the power button for phone charms for more customization. The magnet is very strong, so strong in fact that I accidentally caught my thumb between the base case and the back cover when I first attached the two. But at least I'm confident that this cute back cover won't be falling off anytime and that I can still use MagSafe accessories. The print itself is embossed, so it's very tactile. You can actually feel it with your fingers when holding the phone. I haven't noticed any lifting on the prints, which is nice because that means your phone case or back cover won't look too dinged up even after heavy use. Their innovative ImagiSnap technology allows for easy removing and changing of the back covers, as well as military-grade drop protection. Combined with their different styles of back covers ranging from Pokemon to Chupa Chups, Secret Garden, and much more, you can be sure that your phone won't only be protected but also be stylish and reflect your interests. thing about me, I'm very picky about my cases. I like ones that are transparent in the back but don't yellow over time. And they also have to be easy to hold and doesn't get that weird ghosting effect when you're taking pictures with a flash, and of course, can handle being dropped on the pavement. So if you're interested in high quality and cute cases, I suggest checking out my link down below for a discount. I'll also earn commission from your purchase, so your support is very much appreciated. Thank you to Casebang for sending me these cases, so now let's move on to doing a refresh of my home screen.